Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how we align our data. So if you have two things that you want to check if they match or they don't match or if they're aligned or not aligned. So we have column A and column B, so we're just going to put check in column C, and then we're going to put our formula. So the formula will be just equals to B2 equals to A2. Enter, and then you just drag your formula down. It will show you if it's aligned or it matches. If it matches, it will show true. If it's not matching, then it's gonna show false. That's it. Bye.